So picture this. We're all at a party together. We're at a dinner party. And everybody's standing in a room. There's a bunch of us in this room together. Hundreds of us, thousands of us, millions of us. And we're all looking around at each other. And we're all thinking the same thing. And we're all kind of looking at each other. I wonder if he thinks that. I wonder if she thinks that. And the question that we're all asking ourselves, right, is this. Will 2023 be a good year for crypto? Come on, let's call it what it is. Drop in the comments below. Is that you? Yep. Are you thinking that? Because I'm sure as heck thinking it. Because I mean, 2022 has been gut wrenching as far as the decimation. I got a lot of big words for you today. That's happened to crypto. But by the way, it's not just happened to crypto. It's happened to stocks too. Okay. The entire stock market has been very similar. Okay. And I'm going to give you some facts here in a minute. Okay. But just think about that for a second. We're all at a dinner party. Will 2023 be a good year for crypto? We're going to get into this in this video. Thank you for your support. If you haven't already done so, drop in the comments below, as well as hit that subscribe button. Please drop a like on this video. Okay. So right now, crypto is trading at 793 billion, down from almost 3 trillion from a market capitalization standpoint. Okay. Bitcoin's trading at 16.5. Ethereum is at 1100. Okay. Basically 1200. All right. Now here's the thing. Okay. So 2022, horrible. We went from almost 3 trillion in market capitalization to 793 billion. Okay. And I'm going to quickly go through what's transpired. Okay. So we had Russia-Ukraine war and the devastation on a personal lives lost, as well as on financial worldwide economic markets in devastation there. We had rampant inflation here in the United States and globally at a 40-year all-time high. We had seven interest rate hikes from the Federal Reserve this year alone in 2022. That has never happened in the history of time ever. Okay. All of that adds up. Oh, by the way, the little thing called COVID and the continued fallout from that, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Horrible year. We're done with 22. So let's talk about 23. Will 2023 be any better? Drop in the comments below. Let me know your thoughts. Here's my thoughts. Okay. Is that it's not all doom and gloom. I think that, and there's a lot of variables. You can look at, Bitcoin volatility, and you can look at historical factors and all this kind of stuff. But the key here is that, oh, by the way, I forgot to mention FTX and SBF and the fear that created in the last couple of months. That's a big one, kind of on a go forward basis. 23 will be a good year for crypto, but it will not most likely be a good year for crypto in the first part of 2023. First quarter and second quarter, all the indicators is that those 2 quarters will not be good. The other indicator is that we probably will by the end of the year for 23, Bitcoin will most likely go maybe to 25 to 30,000. Okay. So we do have some upside potential there. And by the way, I keep saying Bitcoin, but when that happens, it's going to lift the entire market. Okay. Now back to first quarter and second quarter is that all the indicators is that we will have a rough Q1 and Q2. Okay. And we could see Bitcoin go to 10,000. We could see Ethereum go to 600-700. Here's the silver lining here. If that happens, I'm buying. I am buying Bitcoin at $10,000. Did you know that Bitcoin right now at 16,000 and change is what the price of Bitcoin was in 2017, 5 years ago? So if you're like, man, I wish I would have bought Bitcoin back in 2007, blah, 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 blah. You can, because that's the price. That's what the price of Bitcoin was in 2017, now almost 6 years ago. Yeah, I didn't know that. My buddy Zach told me that. I was like, crazy. Man, think about that. Okay. So Q1, Q2, not good. Q3, Q4 lining up to look really, really nice. Okay. Is it the beginning of a major bull run? That's kind of questionable whether or not, but we are getting indicators is that it could look, Bitcoin, Ethereum could rise, but if you can buy Bitcoin at say $10,000, if that's what it goes to, and then it goes to 25, 30,000, that's 3x your money. Don't do math in public. I'm almost positive that's what that is. But you get my point. All right. So yeah, I think that 2023 will be good, but also remember this. If we do go down in Q1 and Q2, that is a massive buying opportunity. Again, not investing advice, do what's right for you, right? but buy low, buy on the red days, sell on the green days. Okay, let's wrap up. 2 things to wrap up with. I need to make you aware, my private group, down in the description below, there's a link to my Patreon group. $20 a month, less than you spend to go out to dinner one time in 1 month. Okay. You can join and cancel at any time. Check it out. All right. But here's what I'm going to do. I'm putting in a lot of new stuff starting in January for my private members to help them navigate this Q1, Q2 kind of bad bear cycle stuff. This is content that's only going to be available to my private members. And I want to do everything I can to help you, just a subscriber to my channel, but also above and beyond to help my private members, kind of survive. So you can message me directly, all that kind of stuff. If that's something of interest to you, links in the description below, check it out. Okay. Also, I've launched a new channel with my wife. That's Michelle. This is my wife. And so we're launching a new YouTube channel. So check that out. Links in the description below. Go give it a subscribe. If you want to see a different side of me, a little bit lighter side of me, with my wife, and she's funny as heck. She's always giving me crap and stuff like that. You're welcome to check that out. And we've only done a couple of videos. We're trying to figure out what the channel is going to be, news, this kind of stuff. So it's fun. All right. So if you want to go give that channel support if you so choose. All right. That's all I got for you. Truly, thank you for your support. I think 23 will be good. We got some rough waters ahead of us, but I think 23 will be a good year. Okay. Overall. All right. What do you think? Drop in the comments below. See you.